Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to save our battery and increase our battery life. I collected over 20 tips to save our battery. I think I cover all the tips. Let's go into the video. Now I am going to tell 20 tips you should know and follow them. First one is gameplay. Nowadays, all the people were playing PUBG in their mobiles. You cannot see their mobiles without PUBG, and most people were addicted. So let's see how it's damage our batteries. Once you started to play PUBG, the battery started reduce the battery percentage. It is normal activity, but you were continuously playing the PUBG. The battery get heat. You know heat is not good symptom for our mobile batteries. If it is not continuously happen, if it is continuously happen, your battery will death, or it will not charging when you put in the charging, or reduce the battery percentage fastly then before how it's reduced the percentage. Okay, let's see the second one. Reduce the apps. Nowadays the people have more apps in their mobiles. It is not good. You have maintain a minimum apps only, so delete unused apps because the apps reduce your battery life. Some apps you are using only entertainment purpose, then you not care about it, so that you should delete the unused apps. Furthermore, people have a lot of apps, like 100 to 150 apps in their mobiles. The process and memory 4 GB RAM is not enough for that. Your mobile may get slow. If you want prevent these problems, buy a 8 GB RAM mobiles. It will be safe. You should maintain a limited apps in your mobiles. So if you have a 4 GB RAM, you have to install 200 apps, or if you have a 8 GB RAM, you have to install 150 to 300 apps. Do not install more apps in your mobile, like 500 apps or above. In default, there are many apps already installed. I am not going to talk about default apps because you can't uninstall those apps. If you want to uninstall those apps, you have to unlock your bootloader and make your device rooted. So let's see the third point. Here you want to manipulate the background processor in your setting. So first you should go ahead and change that. Go to your setting, click my device or about mobile option. Then you can see the all specs option, that is only for MI users. Other people you should click 10 times on the versions option. Click 5 or 8 times. Now the pop-up appearing as the developer option is enabled. So you want to come back to the setting interface. You see the setting interface. Now you should click the additional setting option. Then now you see the developer option. Click and scroll down until you see the apps heading, and below here you can see the below of the app setting, you can see background process limit. Change that into no background processes. Let's do it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to do it for you. Just come back, go to the setting. You can see my device. Just click. I'm going to click all specs. Here you can see the batch versions. Just click for 8 times. I think already I enabled it. So just click the under security patch level and the MI versions. Yeah, click the MI UI versions 4 time or 5 time. You can see the no need, you are already a developer. So I already had it. Come back to the setting interface. You can see the additional setting here. Click. You can see the developer option. Click it. Scroll down until you see the apps heading. Where it is? Yeah, you can see the apps heading. Now the second option, you can see the background process limit. The default is standard limited. Just change it. No background process. Just click it. It will save our battery percentage. You can use it. So let's see the third point and come back to the presentation. Yes. Okay. Let's see the fourth option, heavy usage. It is very important point. Do not use your mobile continuously because it will reduce your battery performance. If you are using your mobile without giving a rest, consequently your battery will loses its performance. In normal or less usage, the battery will work and improve its performance and it will extend its lifespan. If you are using continuously your mobile, some may it will get a heating issues too. Let's see the fifth point, good charging circulations to the batteries. It is an important point because people not give a good circulation to the batteries. You should follow these rules. Do not use your mobiles when it is under 10% because that time the battery feel like depressions like our human beings. When your percentage is 50, the battery feel like happy, and when your battery percentage is 90 or above, it's feel like overthink or migraine. So keep your percentage 30 to 90. So let's see the sixth point, auto brightness. You should off the auto brightness because if you keep on the auto brightness, the auto brightness sensor is always kept on, so it will take a minimum level of battery percentage. So always maintain brightness low level. Decrease the brightness level. Till now you may have set your brightness level full, but hereafter do not do that because the display took 60% of batteries comparing to the other parts. Or set a limited brightness. The limited brightness level, when you need full brightness, that time you can increase the brightness, otherwise retain the brightness level in low power. And if you follow this, of course you will see the good result. Then see the seventh one, heat place. Do not put on heat environment because charging in heat place is not good for mobile. Your mobile is already heat when you put in charger because the electricity pass into your batteries. Then you also put your mobile in heat place, that is not good. When you put your mobile in sunlight places, it is not good. Your mobile will increase heat level and get damage your batteries. Let's see the eighth point, do not use always fast charging. It is an indirect problem. When you always put your mobile in fast charging, it will be get tired, like when we have a headache. When you use always fast charging, so give that the minimum rest. The mobile community said that when you using fast charging anytime, it will get damaged and your battery will also get damaged. Once in 100 charging cycles, it loses its size also. So let's see the ninth point, people doubt. Here the most of the people have this doubt, overnight charging is good or not. Let's see. The answer is no. Nowadays they have an intelligent motherboard. It will prevent from heat issue and other problems. While night charging, when your mobile has touched 100% of battery, then it will automatically stop charging, so that you will not worry about it. If you have a lithium poly battery, it will more safe. 10th point is use official charger. You should use only your official charger they have given. For charging batteries, do not use other mobile chargers. It will damage your batteries. Let's see the 11th point. Do not update. Do not update continuously. When you got an update, do not update suddenly. Wait until you know about the situation of an update. Check another updated mobile whether it has a problem or not. So if it is has not any problem, you can update your mobile. Sometimes battery bugs may appear, so check clearly and after then you do that. Let's see the 12th point, Facebook app. The Facebook app is drained large amount of battery percentage. It is true. It's also running background even if you clear your tasks. It sucks all the data and mobile sources. Do not use Facebook app because it will take all the sources locations like my camera and etc. Uninstall the app or half the permissions. My suggestion is do not install Facebook app. um, Instead of, you can use Facebook Lite app or use it through browsers. Let's see the 13 point. Screen timeout. Do not put screen on do not put your screen timeout 1 minute or 2 minutes. Set a screen timeout as 15 seconds to 20 seconds or 10 seconds. Sometimes you may put your mobile phone in pocket and then your mobile display will maintain screen on, so that's set the brief time limit. Let's see the 14 point. Power save mode. It is very an important point. On your battery save mode, in critical situation like when you have a under 20 percentage of battery, put your mobile on power save mode. It will save plenty percentage of battery. It will very useful when you travel to some places. Let's see the 15th point. Face unlock. Do you believe face unlock is sucks battery? Yes, of course. The face unlock used more battery percentage to run because it's using camera to analyze who am I. You know, camera takes plenty of percentage of batteries, so 10 off face unlock. Do this if you wish. In my experience, I noticed that the battery drain more than when face unlock is off. If you want to check it out, do this when your mobile do this after watching this video. When your mobile have 10 percentage, use your camera and take shots or videos and mark the percentage and note the percentage, how much power you lost. Then again, when your mobile touch the 10 percentage of battery, do this again without without using camera. When you have 10 percentage, and note the percentage level and compare to each other, you will get the result. The 16th point, camera. It is also, using camera is reduce our battery life. The concept is also like before I said. Then in the previous slide, let's see the 7th one. Viruses. If your mobile got viruses attack, it will reduce your battery percentage because the virus is running in background. If it is happen continuously, your battery also get damaged. Example, the spyware virus always running in the background watching what you are doing, so that it will sucks all the batteries and percentages, so your battery will may get damages. We'll see the 18 point. Clean tasks. Do not clean tasks. When you clean the tasks and you try to reopen the app, it take more battery to reopen the app. That's why you should not close the tasks. When you did not clear the tasks and you reopen the exist app, it will not drain more battery percentage. Let's take another example. When you did not close your tasks, it was running and remains where you have left, so that when you reopen this, it remains like in a freezer. Let's see the 19th point. Sorry. Charging over time. Do not charging always. It will give stress to the batteries. It is also a reason battery loss its power. The last point is battery replacement. You should change the batteries at least once in 3 years or above is your wish, because some batteries, lithium ion batteries, will lose its power easily. Some batteries has more life. If you feel frequently your mobile battery reduce battery percentage fastly, please change the battery. And the most important thing, change your mobile company battery. Do not install other company batteries. It is very important. When you change your battery, use your company batteries. Do not use other company batteries. It will also get damaged. So guys, I collected these important things to save our battery. If you like, give a thumbs up. If you don't like, give a thumbs down. I hope you like this video, and I told all the methods to save our battery. Use these methods and comments in comment box. If there is any improvement in your battery, give me a like or subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Until then, bye.